In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset FX Replay account. So first you have to go to your dashboard here, and then you want to go to sessions, and I'm assuming you actually want to reset your account over here and your balance and everything on here. Now, as you can see, there's actually no way to change this. So if I go to session settings, I can't go to balance and actually change or reset the balance. So the best way to actually reset your account completely, as well as your journal and stuff like that, is to basically go ahead and just delete your session over here. So go to sessions, select your session, click on delete session, and then click on delete again. And when this happens, your account has been basically reset. And if I now refresh the website over here, and if I then go to journal, so when this refreshes, make sure you do reset the website so everything loads in. There we go. When I go to journal now, as you can see, there's nothing in here either, which means I've basically successfully reset my replay account, and I can go ahead and create a session and create a new one, and then basically I'll start from fresh. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.